Family, watch this. Booyah! Family, welcome to another episode of Just Remove the Wallpaper, she said. All right, family, it is Thursday, March 2nd. This is Wednesday, March 1st update. We had such a busy day yesterday that I fell asleep last night and did not do my update. So with that being said, let's catch y'all up. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, family, as y'all can see, I opened up with electrical. Turning on the electrical plug right there that turns on the lights in the living room. Booyah. But yesterday, the electrician came and he finished up. He is done. We have the electrical boxes in the bar. And I think I told y'all in a previous video, we're not going with a full bar because Lady Red wants that opening through here. So we're doing what they call a peninsula. That is the structure for the peninsula. It will come out to about right here. The bar will be squared off right here. There'll be cabinets on the other side. And when you sit at the bar now, you can plug your phone in and you can charge it up. Or if you have something sitting on there like a, I don't know, coffee maker or whatever, but you got electrical. All right, the second thing that the electrician did was, where we at here with the switch? Booyah! We have lights in the kitchen. Now, I don't know, I think I have pictures of those old cylindrical long lights that were originally in the kitchen. If I do, I will go ahead and drop them in right here. But that was so 1980s, and now we're in the 2000s. The next thing the electrician did was, boom, where's the light? Booyah! We have the light in the laundry room. Our original intent was to remove the laundry room altogether, but like I told y'all in previous videos, that is load bearing, and we were not able to do so. But our solution for that was brand new plumbing. But we'll get to that when we finish with the electrician. The last thing the electrician did when he finished up, nope, that wasn't the last thing. When he finished with these lights, he reconnected the light here in the what used to be the pantry, and that was the closet for that bedroom. Like I told y'all in a previous video, we moved this back about a foot. So now this is going to be where the refrigerator sits. He put in our electrical hookup, and the plumber ran our water. He ran it overhead, boom, right there into this room. So now this is going to be the full-blown room for the refrigerator. And in the future, we're going to use that for a closet now, that room over here. But in the future, we think that's going to be a, I guess they call it a wet room or whatever. We're thinking about putting a toilet in that room alone. That would be the door for the toilet right here in that corner, because that is the bathroom right there behind that wall. All right, family, that is it for the electrical. Oh, the last thing that the electrician did was the stove used to sit right there. We decided to move the stove over here, and I will show y'all the layout. I'll probably drop that in right here. The guy who is doing our countertops and our cabinets, he sent us a, what do they call that? One of those diagrams that where he drew it all out. So we have a diagram showing us exactly where everything's gonna go. In that corner is going to be a spice rack, 7 inches wide. And right here is going to be the stove. So we went ahead and put the electrical for the stove, and we put those, what do they call those? GIF, ground fault, GFI, ground fault plugs in all throughout the kitchen. So that was the electrician's contribution to yesterday, Wednesday, March 1st. Next up was plumbing. And as y'all can tell, it was a busy day yesterday. Woo! Right here, the plumber came in, and they were all working together. He came in and put the box back for the washer, and he put in all new plumbing. As you can see, he put in PEX, and PEX is more weather resistant and leak proof. He hooked it to our original, I guess that's, I don't know, copper tubing or whatever it is, but he hooked it to our original tubing. It's all secure, good to go. This plumbing, there was no uh, what's the name for that? I am drawing a blank. But there was that U wasn't there. That trap wasn't there. So he put the trap there, he put that correctly. He drilled through the wood. He put the proper, that piece of metal there so the wood's not weakened. It is weakened somewhat, but he put that there and he rearranged that, a whole unit. And now everything is the way it should be because it was also 1970, 1980s, and it was put in wrong. So he ran all new plumbing here. He straightened up the plumbing on the outside. I have hot water and cold water outside, and both of those are hooked back up. And now all we got to do is go get our cabinetry and our sink. So that was the contribution of the plumber yesterday. Last but not least, and I don't want this video to be too lengthy, you can see where my contractor, his team, has come up in and they're starting to mud now. As I told y'all in the previous video, this is going to be all flat, no more popcorn. So they're going about their business, putting back in all the sheetrock, doing all the mudding. And when they finish, which will probably be, we got to come in and do the sheetrock here in the kitchen. That's probably going to take them about 2 to 3 days. So the day being Thursday, probably next Monday or Tuesday, we don't run into any emergencies, then we'll probably be done with the sheetrock and ready to start painting. So, oh, and one update. The series, like I may be on video number 6, but it may be day 13 because there are going to be some days in there where they didn't come or they didn't do enough improvements that warranted me doing a video. So the videos and the day numbers won't coincide. Just wanted to let y'all know that. Y'all probably already figured that out by now. But like I said, family, this is physically day 13 and probably going to be episode 6 or 7 by now. But this is where we are, family. Oh, and the other thing I did not tell y'all, I almost forgot. Okay, y'all, this is the flooring. 1,200 square feet of flooring. The whole downstairs is going to be done, except for that room, which is my game room. That's the flooring that Lady Red went with. It's a little dark, and we love it because hopefully the room is going to be kind of a light gray. So hopefully that flooring makes this room pop. So at the end of this video series, I'm going to give y'all all the numbers of what this whole home renovation cost us. Sheetrock, fixing broken stuff, termite damage, flooring, plumbing, the whole 9 yards. But just to give y'all a hint into our future and how we'll probably have to, I don't know, maybe Lady Red can do something, some pole deck. Anyway, we got to do something to recoup that money. The flooring alone, $6,000. That's $6,000 sitting right there, y'all. Woo! Your boy might have to go back to work. All right, family. I just want to give y'all a quick day 13 update. Today is day 14, Thursday, March 2nd, 2023. No matter when you're watching this video and wherever you're watching it, whether it's to get some home improvement ideas, it's to get some home improvement cost ideas, that type of thing, because I'm doing this video series because I want people to know, even though they have an old house that may have load-bearing walls in places that they don't think they can be improved, you can improve them. The first thing he told us that this wall was load-bearing, there was a wall right here. If y'all all remember, there was a wall that ran right here, but we were able to remove that wall, shift the load-bearing portion because these run east to west, but we were able to shift that load and put in a header right there, and to put a header right there and shift that load. And we were able to remove this wall due to so. And the fact we had a closet in there, and that was a pantry, we were able to take that out, do some load bearing shifting up there on top of that one, and we were able to move the refrigerator, and the refrigerator will be a non-factor You won't even know where it is if you don't live here. We'll have to show you because it's gonna be hidden. So all of this is gonna be open. We're gonna put some decorative doors here, perhaps barn doors here. Right there where that door is that goes into the bathroom is going to be one of those hideaway doors in the wall. So I think it's gonna be gorgeous. But at this point, we got about another 3 weeks of having people in our house doing carpentry, mainly because most of the electrical is done. I know a couple of other things we need to tweak. He left this box right here in, and this box does nothing, so it needs to go away. So there's a few other things we got to do electrically, but for the most part, we're putting in insulation now. We're putting back in the sheetrock, and we're ready to start mudding, ready to start painting. All right, family, that's probably going to be our last update for this week. The next time y'all see me will probably be day 15-ish, 16. Next Monday or Tuesday, we'll do another video. All right, family, I hope y'all are getting some value out of these self-improvement Thursday videos, because this is way more than I originally anticipated. My original idea was me maybe going to the gym, working out, improving myself, but whoo, family, $6,000 worth of flooring later, here we are. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up, and I will be sure to catch y'all in the next one. Take care, have a great day. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.